name is Massey and I work up here at Hilbish Ford. Today we're going to be talking about a few tips and tricks on the Ford EcoSport. The first one is that the back door handle to open the back hatch actually is embedded in the taillight. So it's kind of like out of the way, but it also looks very cool with that chrome feature. Another really cool feature about the EcoSport is actually this back platform back here, after we open up the hatch, can actually sustain up to 700 pounds. So if you put mountain bikes up here or a kayak up here, I don't weigh 700 pounds obviously, but this is a little platform that you can stand on in order to make sure that your bike or your kayak or whatever you have that you need to stand up here for is secure. That's all for our EcoSport tips and tricks for the day. Come on down to Hilbish Ford and see for yourself.